Your Excellency, I welcome you to Kumasi together with your First Lady, and also welcome you to Ghana. For the past few days, I've seen your collaboration and meetings with the President. And I've been listening to you from here and what you propose to do with Ghana. 30 years of being a politician, having started from a small village, all through to the European Union, the experiences that you had before you became the President in 2012, proving to me that you've shown leadership, very strong leadership in Hungary. 5,000 kilometers is far, but it's not far. Our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, established diplomatic relations with Hungary. And from there on, we had people being trained, engineers, doctors, agriculturists, professionals being trained in Hungary, from Budapest and others, who came back to Ghana to help with the development of this country. Along the line, we lost contact. But when democracy came back again into Hungary, after the breaking down of the Berlin Wall, of which you were part in seeing to the constitution being written in Hungary, as a young lawyer at that time, Hungary has come back to Ghana as friends. And the collaboration that we seek to get from you and between Ghana in relation to agriculture, engineering, technology, education, water and sanitation, all these would inure to the benefit of our two countries. Yes, when your Deputy Speaker visited, I said to him that I'm not more interested in MOUs and all the talk, bureaucracy, but I wanted action. And so we should go beyond the talk and the signing of documents in Accra and then in Budapest, and let us put action to what our people need. Yes, we are a third world country. We need development far better, so we would be dependent on your support and direction and assistance. And that's exactly what you've spoken to us about this afternoon, assuring us that you're also ready to support us develop, both at the governmental level and then in the private sector. Ghana is an agrarian country. Production of rice, agriculture, various ones, fruits and everything, would help our economy develop. And therefore, we will be dependent on your technology to help us develop our country. Engineering, technology transfer, water and sanitation, environment is also another problem now. Reclamation of our forest lands, water preservation, Galamsey having destroyed our drinking waters and all those things. Waste management. All these are areas that we seek collaboration that you said you've discussed with your president. But you are in Kumasi, and therefore, as you have discussed in Accra with the president, we would also want to say that Yes, at the top level you've discussed, but Kumasi and Ashanti and other regions also need the water treatment. I know that there has been 3 of them started with a private company, Jospon. I have 16 regions in Ghana, and I need all these water treatments also in various regions. And therefore, as we've started with 3, I'm left with 13 regions in Ghana that I will seek for your support so that we can still build all these water treatments in those regions. Therefore, Your Excellency, just want to let you know, again, I want us to go further, where private sector, we can put a team together and let them come to Hungary, where we can then seek collaboration with the private sector there. Poultry, agriculture, rearing of the poultry is also another area. So if we can see collaboration in those areas, then it will inure to our benefit, because that is what would help us to develop our country. Rice production, as you've mentioned in Accra, is also another area. We import poultry feed. We virtually are importing everything that brings pressure on our foreign exchange. So much as we have cocoa and gold bringing in the foreign exchange, the imports take them away. So our balance of payment then becomes a bit of a problem. It's pushed us into a corner where our economy is a bit tight now. And therefore, raising taxes internally also is becoming a problem for us. So the only way that we can do that now is a collaboration and support from your country, where various areas of the economy that can help to inure, to mitigate against the cost of living and others. Create employment for our people, train them, let them have technology, and have the available human resource is something that we seek to collaborate. So, Excellency, I welcome you to Kumasi, I welcome you to Ghana, and I'm sure that when we retire, we'll have quite a lot to discuss again before you go. I welcome you to Kumasi, I welcome you to Ghana, and I'm sure that when we retire, we'll have quite a lot to discuss again before you go. So I thank you for this visit, and the one that